Are you looking for how to convert MSG files into CSV file format, and are you searching for trusted solution online? Corbett Software Backup and Restore Wizard, perfect tool to convert multiple MSG files to CSV format. Now let's check out the main features of the software. Convert multiple MSG files into CSV file format. Sort MSG files with various filters, date to, from email address etc. Perform conversion of selective MSG files into CSV file format. Maintains 100% data integrity of the converted files. Let's install and run the tool. Simple and user-friendly UI is a major feature of this standalone tool. Click on Open tab and choose drop-down option. Select Email Data Files. Now select MSG Files option. Then select Choose Folders or Choose Files option to browse your MSG files. You can choose the desired MSG files folder from your system. And after selecting the folder, click Select Folder to proceed. Select the MSG files folder to load your emails in the software panel. Now click the email to view the message. This way you can preview the email. The tool provides you with many useful tabs such as content that lets you see the full body content of the email message. Next is Properties tab. This way you can see the header and other information of the email. Message header helps you view the detailed routing information of the message such as sender, recipient, date, subject and more. The hex view lets you see hexadecimal digit of an email message. Raw message preview for you can see selected email in raw message file format. That is called quick search. It searches keywords within the emails. Now enter a keyword in the search bar and press enter button for search and you will see the result highlighted in yellow color. It's time to introduce one of the most beneficial features of tool, Advanced Search. It finds information within the email. Now you pick the emails field. You want to search for information from such name, subject to CC content and more. You can slow search in calendars, contacts, journals, task, notes. You can click here to close the advanced mode section. Now go to Export tab, and select CSV option from drop-down menu. Go to Browse option and pick a location to save the output. Now let's understand the advanced functions the tool one by one. The first is open folders. After export is done, if you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file is saved automatically opens after the conversion. The next is skip grayed out folder. Enable this option to leave grayed out folders from your files. Other to create empty folders, please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. Next one is delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder. Next is an include email header. We recommend you disable this. The last one is include attachment details if you want attachment in a separate folder. Next is an include properties if you want to save the header and other information of the email. The last option is single folder for all files. Apply these advanced options as per your requirements. Finally, go to Save button and see the live process of MSG files conversion into CSV file format. If you want to convert complete data, then you need to buy license. After conversion process is done, then click on Open Folder to view the output. Now you will see the resultant folder. Click on it and see the output. You can also see the attachments. Open CSV file to see the preview the output. Thanks for watching.